Hey, so welcome to Kolohe Krew, Shadow Scott, and Mele Apana. And we have such busy lives. Work, family, and emceeing gigs of life.
Yeah, and so we don't really have time to eat. So we're gonna make sure whatever we eat is affordable, it's fast, and it's easy.
Fast, affordable, and easy. Which means
Wiki Sun Noodle.
Wiki Sun Noodle, and it comes in a variety of flavors. We got tomato over here. We got creamy vegetable.
And my favorite miso.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna try to make today. It is super easy, very affordable, and it's fast. Okay.
Yep.
So
What am I gonna do?
I'm gonna read the instructions, and you just whip them, Kolohe.
Okay.
Stir fry first of all.
Yep.
Whatever ingredients you like, make the vegetables and all that kind of stuff. So
Yep.
you can put it inside. Make sure she's not too sweet.
Not too rancid.
Okay.
Right.
Then you
Enjoy
add
them.
the meat.
Oh my goodness, just like that.
Oh, look, we stir fry your favorite
Stir
meat.
fry the noodles.
Vegetables.
The vegetables.
The
Okay.
noodles.
And then you put in the onions.
Oh, put them in, bam,
And then
bam.
you put
Come
the-
on, come on, raise them,
then you put-
Make it rain,
Oh, like
make it
this. Then
rain.
you put the
Make it-
vegetable inside.
There
Wait,
you go.
put fire over there.
No fire. Ooh.
Okay, then turn the combo over like that. Okay.
Okay.
Make them all like that. Okay.
Stir fry her.
So you use bok choy, ok choy.
Little bit of that.
So
that's
look how
okay.
delicious. You get everything you started for there. Look at that shit. And then, right after you pour that,
And then is add 1.5 cups of water.
That's it,
Right?
babe.
Mizu. Hey, mizu. You know what I'm
1.5
saying?
cup of water.
Look at 1.5
Just like
cups
that.
of water.
Woohoo!
And the soup base. Okay, so we don't like the miso soup.
I like the miso soup.
The miso soup. Oh, miso hungry.
I'm
miso
so hungry. Oh,
Okay.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, so we're gonna add the soup base. Okay, and easy breezy. Okay,
Look how
ready?
easy. That's the main thing. It's so easy.
Let's add
Stir
this
fry
in.
the vegetable with a little bit of sesame oil.
Okay,
And then you boil the water. Okay, we're gonna make the
Whoa,
oil a little bit hot
okay.
like that. Okay, we're stirring the base, the miso soup base, with the kamaboko, with the wonbok, the onion, and the kayuk.
Then you bring it to a boil.
Look how nice and pretty.
Sun noodle in Hawaii's #1 noodle.
You
so.
say number one noodle.
Number one noodle.
Sun noodle, number one
like
noodle.
one buck, #1 noodle. 3 easy steps.
Yep.
Boom shakalaka. Okay, it has the steps right here in the back of each
The
one.
instructions.
The instruction in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's very LBE, little bit easy to understand.
Oh, you can smell it. Just smell it.
Smell the broth, the miso broth. Delicious. Mix up all the vegetable. You get the onion.
You cook for 1 minute.
Look at that, the noodle, the chashu, the fish cake, the onion, and you know with the dash of sesame oil, you know that baka get the little extra.
A little extra what? One more time for the boys. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at that shit.
You ready? Let's do it. And then
Laugh.
you put her
Laugh.
into the bowl.
Oh yeah, look.
And there you go. Cooking with the Kolohe Krew. Courtesy of our family and friends from Sun Noodle. Okay, once again, mahalo nui to our family and friends from Sun Noodle, Wiki Sun Noodle. And now we get to enjoy the fruits of our labor.
Yes. Look at this.
We call it munching. Munch
Munch my name.